let's take a look at these examples. We're supposed to use the property for the log of the quotient first. I'm going to rewrite this problem as natural log of x minus natural log of 4. This is equal 0.47. Because my unknown is with this log, I'm going to keep this on the left side, and because this is log of constant, log of 4, I'm going to move this logarithm to the right side because this is simply the number. So natural log of x is equal 0.47 plus ln 4. Next, I'm going to convert the logarithmic form to the exponential. Please keep in mind that next to the natural log we have always base e. So I'm going to write this problem as e to the power 0.47 plus ln 4, close parenthesis, don't forget about the parenthesis, is equal x. If you are going to plug in e to the exponent, open parenthesis, 0.47 plus ln 4, you are going to have x equal 6.4. This is the solution to my problem. If you want to verify it, simply replace this x by this value. ln, open parenthesis, 6.4 over 4 is equal 0.47. This is going to be approximately 0.47, and this is 0.47. Left side is equal to the right side. That's why this is the correct answer. Second example, again we have the log of quotient. I'm going to rewrite it as natural log of 12 minus natural log of t equals 2.5. Because this natural log of t is negative, I'm going to convert this to positive by moving this log to the right side. And 2.5 I'm going to move to the left side. And I have natural log of 12 minus 2.5 is equal ln t. I can rewrite this as ln t equals natural log of 12 minus 2.5. This is the same thing. Anytime you're moving everything from the right side to the left and everything from the left side to the right, you don't have to change the signs. Keep in mind that natural log has always base e. You have to convert the logarithmic form to the exponential and simply write this as e to the power of ln 12 minus 2.5 equals t. If you are going to plug in e to the power of ln 12 minus 2.5 inside of the parentheses into the calculator, you are going to have t is going to be equal 0.985. If you want to verify your answer, replace the t in the original equation by this value and simply write natural log, open parenthesis, 12 over 0.985 is equal 2.5. You are going to plug in this into the calculator. Don't forget about the parentheses. You are going to have approximately 2.5, which is equal to 2.5. Left side is equal to the right side. That's why this is the correct answer to the problem.